Hi, I'm Sunny with WTI, and I just picked up the most adorable Nickelodeon Paw Patrol umbrella for my little ones. And I really like this umbrella. I, for one, like the handle. It has a little hook so they can put their little hand to it and carry it that way. But I love that it's also short enough that they can throw this right down into their book bags.
See that? Perfect fit. They're also useful if you live in a warm climate and need to block out the sun. And they're also perfect for just playing around and having a good time.
I love this umbrella. It's handy to have on those rainy days, but sometimes it's just good for some good old backyard sunshine fun. So if your kids love the Paw Patrols like mine do, definitely pick up this cool Nickelodeon Paw Patrol umbrella. Your kids won't be disappointed, and that's my point of view.